How do I empty the condensation unit of my tumble dryer? Condensation tumble dryers have a tank which should be emptied after every cycle. When removing the tank, be aware that the water may be warm and that there is no screw cap on the tank, so it should be kept upright. After that, empty all the water into the sink. When finished, put the tank back into the tumble dryer and secure it back into position. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.